Most centralized crypto lending platforms advertise high rates. However, when you start using them, you will notice that there are caps. Some rates are only active during promotions. Some have tiered systems and even quick drops of those rates after a couple of days. Recently, I found a lending program called WhiteBIT Lending, where you can still earn double-digit yields and you don't need to do anything complicated. You just lock up your funds for a certain fixed term that you've selected, and there's no need to be a part of a loyalty program, lock in native tokens for that platform in order to earn more. You just select a plan and that's it. So in this video I will show you how this works and how you can start earning in just a few steps. WhiteBIT is a long-lasting exchange that you can usually find around number 32 on the CoinGecko exchanges page ranking list. It was founded in 2018. They currently have around 35 million plus users, 769 pairs, and they serve both retail and institutions. Another reason to use WhiteBIT is that although it's not the highest volume exchange, it's still up there on the top 100, which means that you can expect certain security practices. They have 96% of all assets in cold storage. They also have high levels of certification and are also regulated in Europe. And for the lending products, you know exactly how the yield is being generated. Here's what you need to do to start earning. Step number 1 is to set up your account and make a deposit. You complete the usual account setup. You will need to then proceed with KYC verification due to anti-money laundering laws, and then you will need to deposit some funds either by using a credit card, transfer, or you can send crypto from another wallet. Step number 2 is to select a plan. You can select a fixed plan to earn the highest rates or a flexible plan to get paid daily and auto-compound returns. You can do this with major assets like USD, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and many others. And then step number 3 is earn interest. So for fixed plans, you will get paid the amount showed in the calculator at the end of the period selected. And for flexible, you will get paid daily. The minimum amounts will be different for different assets, so it's worth checking that out before making a deposit to start earning, because you might want to accumulate the minimum amount before transferring any funds. You can use blue chips, so in most cases you might already have holdings that you can transfer over without needing to rebalance, and the best yields are from fixed plans. It's still possible to close your plan at any time, however you will lose the interest payment but not the principal amount. Now that you know how WhiteBIT Lending works, you can click on the link down in the description to sign up and start earning interest over your crypto assets or stable coins. I recommend going with the fixed plans as they provide rates that are higher than everything else in the market while still being inside a big exchange. Flexible plans can also be an interesting option if you have idle funds and you are using the platform for trading. In most of the cases, you will be able to find better flexible options, for example in DeFi. However, you would be trading the platform risk for smart contract risk. If you want another option to earn up to 12% on USD, then you can check out my video about Bitfinex Lending. That's a crypto exchange that is also well established and has an auto-renew feature, and as long as you have the minimum of $150, you can keep lending out your capital, and when a loan ends, another begins, and so on, compounding automatically all of your earnings. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.